Hello, my name is Howard McLaren. I'm the co-founder and creative director of the brand R+Co. Our goal is to bring you the best performing vegan hair care products. And we're proud to bring you GEMSTONE Pre-Shampoo Colour Protect Mask. This product is for anyone with colour treated, damaged hair that needs a boost of colour, vibrancy and hydration. I'm here with our model Mary. As you can see, she's got an amazing colour job. Her hair's gone through several colour processes to get it where it is today, and the intensely colour treated hair that needs extra nourishment and the protection to keep it healthy and vibrant. So we're going to use the GEMSTONE Pre-Shampoo Colour Perfect Mask to Mary's hair. We'll apply it where her hair is damp and leave it for 10 to 20 minutes. Then we're going to rinse it, shampoo it and condition as usual. This mask is designed to fortify, seal the cuticle and deliver soft shine. It's also infused with ChromoHance technology to provide vibrant, lasting colour. This intuitive lightweight foam instantly transforms into a soft cream that melts into the cuticle while repairing and protecting even the most compromised porous areas of hair. This product has some amazing ingredients. First is the ChromoHance complex. This is an exclusive polymer blend that's clinically proven to lock in colour for up to 10 washes and keeps hues rich and vibrant. Next is the amino acids, which condition and repair surface damage while adding shine. It also contains hydrolyzed soya protein. This penetrates the cuticle to replace proteins, strengthens and improve elasticity. Take a look at Mary's hair after we've rinsed out the mask and styled her hair. You'll notice the colour is much more vibrant and her hair looks and feels soft and hydrated. Our products are made without parabens, sulfates, harsh detergents or animal derivatives. They're colour safe, gluten free, cruelty free and vegan. They provide UV protection and they're made in the USA. Thank you.